Okay, brothers and sisters, I want you all to come out to my ministry. Yes, you see, my ministry is located. To get to my ministry, first of all, you got to pay your tolls. So you got to go to the toll road. Yes, brothers and sisters. And I tell you what, you see, my ministry is just like heaven. You can't go to heaven unless you pay your toll. Yes, brothers and sisters. And you see, after you go through the toll, you pay your toll and you go through the toll road. I want you brothers and sisters, don't look back, but you gotta go on to back road. Yes, brothers and sisters, and brothers, if you see some scantily ladies around there waving at you, I beg you brothers, just wave right back at them, but don't stop, because if you stop, then you won't come on time. And brothers and sisters, I want you all to come on time. So just keep on coming down to my ministry. Hallelujah.